Hi, welcome to Sarah's kitchen. Today let us see how to make flax seeds cookies. It's very healthy cookie and a very good snack in the evening time.
The ingredients are 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 stick of unsalted butter or half cup of unsalted butter, quarter cup of whole flax seeds, quarter cup of grounded flax seeds, quarter cup of white sugar, quarter cup of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1 teaspoon of baking powder.
In a bowl, add half cup of butter, quarter cup of white and brown sugar. Beat on medium speed for 2 to 3 minutes until it becomes fluffy.
In a separate bowl, take quarter cup of grounded flax seeds, add 6 tablespoons of water and mix it well.
Now add the grounded flaxseed paste. One teaspoon of vanilla extract.
Beat it on medium speed.
I'm adding 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour, quarter cup of whole flax seeds, one teaspoon of baking powder, now again mix it well. Now it's mixed well.
And it's ready to go to the baking sheet.
Drop the dough on the prepared baking sheet about 2 inches apart. Slightly flatten on top of the cookies so that it bakes quickly. Preheat the oven to 375 degree Fahrenheit.
Now the cookies are ready to go to the oven.
Bake for 10 to 15 minutes or until it becomes golden brown. It almost took 13 minutes to bake. Ready to take. Transfer the cookies to the cooling rack and allow it to cool for 3 to 5 minutes.
Healthy flax seeds cookies are ready. Thanks for watching Sarah's Kitchen.